Amy Slayton from TLC's hit reality series 1000 LB Sisters has always been a fan favorite for her humor, her resilience, and her undeniable bond with her family, especially her sister Tammy Slayton. Over the years, Amy has allowed viewers into her personal life, from her weight loss struggles to her family journey as a mother. But recently, a new baby-related post by Amy on social media has sparked confusion, concern, and even controversy among fans. The post, which seemed to be a mix of affectionate expression and puzzling oddities, immediately raised eyebrows and prompted fans to comment, "So nay help," as they speculated about what exactly Amy meant and whether it pointed to deeper issues in her personal life. This new wave of discussion has once again put Amy under the spotlight as fans debate her decisions, her parenting, and her emotional well-being. For Amy, social media has always been a way to share her milestones, whether it's her weight loss progress, her excitement over being a mom, or even her quirky humor. But this latest post, centered around her children, has left fans more puzzled than inspired. In the post, Amy shared a series of pictures and captions involving her boys, but the way she worded her message felt off to many. The post included references to her babies that fans described as odd and unsettling, with phrasing that didn't match Amy's usual cheerful tone. Instead of celebrating her kids' growth, the caption seemed disjointed, almost cryptic, making people question if Amy was going through something behind the scenes. Many longtime followers pointed out that Amy has been through a whirlwind of changes in the past year. Between her divorce from Michael Halterman, the father of her two boys, and the ongoing custody arrangements, Amy has faced emotional and legal stress. Add to that the responsibility of raising two toddlers practically on her own, while balancing a public life, and it's no surprise that she may be feeling overwhelmed. Her new relationship with boyfriend Brian has brought both excitement and scrutiny, with fans questioning whether she rushed into dating too soon after her breakup. Against this backdrop, Amy's unusual baby post has fueled speculation that she may be using social media to express frustrations or cry out for help in a subtle way. Some fans interpreted the post as simply Amy being her quirky self. They argued that she has always had a different sense of humor and way of expressing herself. After all, Amy has never shied away from making offbeat jokes or writing in a unique, unfiltered way. They pointed out that the odd phrasing may have been intentional, meant to be funny or light-hearted, but that fans took it the wrong way. Others, however, weren't convinced. They insisted that the tone was unlike her normal playful vibe, instead giving off a sense of sadness or confusion. This left followers debating whether Amy's post was harmless fun or a deeper reflection of her struggles as a single mom navigating the chaos of her life. As the comment section of her post flooded with reactions, fans began using phrases like, "Someone help," and "Are you okay, Amy?" Many expressed concern for the reality star's mental health, especially given her history of stress in her marriage and family life. Some also recalled that Amy has spoken openly about postpartum challenges in the past. With two young children only a little over a year apart in age, the pressure of motherhood has always weighed heavily on her. Her younger son Glenn is still a toddler, and her older son Gage is adjusting to being a big brother. Juggling the needs of both while under the public eye is no small task, and some fans fear that Amy's cryptic social media activity could be an indirect plea for understanding or support. Meanwhile, critics of Amy were less sympathetic. They argued that her constant airing of personal matters online is part of the problem. If she didn't want this kind of attention, she wouldn't post such weird stuff, one commenter wrote. Another claimed Amy was trying to stir up buzz on purpose, using vague or confusing posts to generate more engagement from her followers. Reality TV stars often find themselves accused of blurring the line between real life and entertainment, and Amy is no exception. Some believe she is well aware that any post involving her children will spark conversation and has leaned into the attention. Others, however, pushed back against that criticism, saying that Amy is simply being herself and doesn't deserve to be scrutinized for every word she types. Fans defending her pointed out that she has always been a hands-on mom who loves her boys dearly. They highlighted moments from 1000 LB Sisters where Amy went above and beyond for her kids, even when she was struggling physically or emotionally. To them, the odd baby post was just a minor blip, not a reflection of her parenting or her stability. They cautioned others not to jump to conclusions or spread unnecessary rumors about Amy's state of mind. This controversy also shines a light on the broader issue of how reality TV stars are perceived on social media. Unlike actors who play fictional characters, reality stars are judged for their real lives. Every post, photo, or slip of the tongue becomes fodder for speculation. Amy's baby post is just the latest example of how something as simple as a quirky caption can spiral into a wave of concern, criticism, and viral chatter. It raises the question, are fans being too harsh, or is Amy inadvertently sending signals that she is struggling behind the scenes? For Amy, the timing of this controversy couldn't be more complicated. Her relationship with Brian is still relatively new, and many fans have voiced skepticism about his role in her life and in the lives of her children. Some worry that Amy may be depending on him too much, especially financially, after it was revealed that Brian has been involved in handling some of her finances. The odd baby post has only added to those worries, with fans speculating whether stress from her new relationship could be influencing her mood and the way she expresses herself. Others believe the post might reflect ongoing custody tensions with Michael, which could be adding emotional strain. On the show, Amy has often been portrayed as the more light-hearted and optimistic sister compared to Tammy, who has battled serious health struggles. But in recent seasons, viewers have seen a more vulnerable side of Amy as she juggles motherhood, divorce, and her own personal growth. This shift has made fans even more protective of her, worried that the bubbly, fun-loving Amy they fell in love with might be feeling overwhelmed and underappreciated in her current chapter. Her baby post, whether intentional or not, has highlighted these concerns and sparked a wider conversation about the pressure of fame, motherhood, and online expectations. At the end of the day, Amy Slayton remains one of the most relatable figures in the 1000 LB Sisters universe. Her fans care deeply about her, which is why her odd post has received so much attention. Whether it was simply a quirky joke, a poorly worded caption, or a subtle signal of deeper struggles, it reflects the complicated relationship between reality stars and their audience. Amy's journey as a mom and as a woman has always been about resilience, and while this latest post may have raised eyebrows, it has also reminded fans how much they want to see her happy, healthy, and supported. As of now, Amy has not directly addressed the wave of concern over her post. She continues to share glimpses of her life, from her kids' milestones to everyday moments, while fans wait to see if she will clarify the meaning behind her words. Until then, speculation will continue, and so will the conversations about what her post really meant. Whether it was a moment of vulnerability or just a quirky slip, one thing is clear, Amy Slayton still knows how to capture attention, and fans will be watching closely as she navigates this new phase of her journey. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.